Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exact Google account and phone number tied to the backup. This is critical so WhatsApp can locate the file. Once done, install or update WhatsApp and grant contacts, storage, and phone permissions. These let the app access your Google Drive and local files. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi and your battery is above 50% or plugged in to avoid mid-restore failures. Then open WhatsApp and tap Agree, and you'll see Restore when WhatsApp finds a Google Drive backup. Tap it and watch the displayed backup size and date to confirm it's the right one. While restoring messages from Drive, the app may later download media, so be patient and keep Wi-Fi on. If no backup appears, make sure the same Google account is added in Settings Accounts and Sync is enabled, then reopen WhatsApp. Also check Google Drive storage for backups so you know the file exists and is recent. After messages restore, continue setup by entering your display name. Media will download in the background, so you can start using WhatsApp immediately while media trickles in. If the restore fails, make sure Google Drive permissions for WhatsApp are granted. Try removing and re-adding the Google account, or reinstall WhatsApp and retry. As a fallback, you can use a local backup. Copy the most recent file from /WhatsApp/databases on the old phone to the new device and reinstall to restore when Drive is not available.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.